morning, guys. I am feeling a lot better than I was yesterday. I credit all the water that I drank, the tea that I had, the rest that I got, and sweating it out at SoulCycle. I think all 4 of those things just really like put it over the edge. I'm feeling a lot better. I just got yesterday's vlog up, which was my sick vlog. If you haven't seen that yet, go check that out, then watch this one. Today, we're gonna do things a little bit different. Okay guys, what I'm about to do right now is against the rules of this house. It has been highly discouraged by both me and Alisha. When friends come and visit our house, we don't show them this room. This room is off limits to everyone and anyone that enters our home. You guys know it as the studio, but here we refer to it as the disaster. Ladies and gentlemen, what I am about to show you may trigger you. It may bring up some PTSD for some of you. And for me, it's just the vein of my existence. I give you the studio. I bet you guys weren't ready for that. To give you guys a little bit of a background on this room hasn't always been like this. All of this stuff used to be throughout the house, and this last like 6 months, Alisha and I have been going from room to room, the living room, the mail room, Taryn's room, our own rooms, and like decluttering and getting rid of everything that we didn't need. What inevitably happened was we just took everything and put it in the studio because back to school season was over and Alisha wasn't filming those videos. Now, I don't want to call her out, but I'ma say it. 90% of all of this stuff is Alisha's. I'm not taking myself out of this. I am to blame for a lot of this. For example, this is my keyboard. That's my drum set. So there are things here that are mine, but most of it is hers. And to her defense, I think it just like got out of hand, the amount of stuff that she would buy for videos, and we need to get rid of it. I've been telling Alisha this for a very long time, but she keeps putting it off, and so do I. But this is something that I want to get done like ASAP. So I decided I think I'm going to completely empty this thing out before she gets back from Big Bear. Now, I'm sure you guys have all pretty much figured it out. This is going to be an extreme cleaning video. If you love watching my cleaning videos, which I know a lot of you guys do, you're going to love this. This is going to be the most beautiful before and after that you've ever seen in your life. Now, I know what you guys are... Now I know what now I know what a lot of you guys are thinking. You're thinking, Ashley, why would you want to do that by yourself? Don't you need help? You need like a car, you need like a truck, you need a dumpster, something. You can't do it all on your own. That's too nice. I'm not gonna do it on my own. I called for help. Thanks, Mom. You guys are the best. Cheers. Basically, guys, I called the parents over. They brought their car and we're going to just devour this room. We are going to give all of it away. I'm not kidding. We have desks, we have clothes, we have toys, we have a bunch of props that would look really cute in someone's bedroom, but not our room. We need it out of our house. We have way too many of them, and there's more in the garage. It's so bad. So this is the very last room that Alisha and I have left to like declutter and get rid of. So once this is done, we freaking did it. So I'm really excited for this. You can watch this whole room transformation. The parents stopped at Alfred. They know me, and they got me a quad shot latte. I'm gonna get so much work done today. Update. Update. Things are going very well. However, mom's getting butthurt.
She's giving away everything.
I was like, this is trash, this is trash.
She gave away things I gave her for her 12th birthday. She gave away Alicia's piggy bank.
It's such an exaggeration.
You can't do that.
Alicia doesn't need, it's this big piggy bank that she does not need. And there's like pennies in there. And I didn't throw it away. I gave it to my dad and I was like, hey.
You can't do that. It's probably sentimental.
It's not sentimental. Do you remember when we were young and she sold my Polly Pockets for money to buy something?
I guess I forgot that one. If she did steal your Polly Pockets?
She sold.
Ooh.
She made money and bought something else.
Who bought them?
Savage.
Ashley, this was for your bongos I gave you for your birthday. You can't give away your bongos.
You keep the bongos.
You can't give it away.
I was having the hardest time getting these locks off. Freaking planes. And then mom over here just like slipped it off like no problem.
Ooh.
Oh, oh, ah! Dang it, why are you so good?
Go slow.
So what's your problem?
Jeez.
Ashley was gonna throw away these.
Flash drive.
Flash drive.
That's from like years ago. It's probably like ACA like school stuff.
There was confidential stuff on there. Sensitive information.
My bad, my bad. Apparently we bolted these things into the wall to make sure, you know, earthquakes, safety, that kind of stuff. So dad is taking it out right now. Excited.
Are we sure you guys are not gonna want any arts and crafts at all?
Yeah, we're past that.
Positive?
Alicia's past that, I'm past that. We love growth. Mom, I really feel like you would use the bongos more at your house.
What?
I haven't touched it in a year.
Ashley!
You would love them.
I got them with you in mind.
But mom.
I mean, you can jam, you can be a stress buster. You know.
Take it with you. Look at you. You're thriving with them.
Express ourselves.
Can't not. You're not taking my drum set.
If we take the bongos, the drum set has to go.
No, I don't think so. I know this is probably a very short vlog. However, a lot of work has been done. We got rid of half the lockers. Took a lot of work to get it downstairs. Me and my mom and dad had to do that. That was a lot. And here's how the room is looking so far. We got the drums over here. This got emptied out. This is a bunch of stuff that was in the closet, but the closet's looking really good. Here is the closet. We got rid of all the stuff that was right over here. We still have to go through some of these. And the bathroom, you guys, we can see the floor again. Oh my God, it's looking great. We actually got a lot of work done and we're kind of exhausted, so I think we're gonna take a break. I'm going to go catch a SoulCycle class really quick. And then I think when I come back, I'm probably gonna go through all the little stuff like this and figure out what needs to go, what we're gonna keep, that kind of stuff. Really pumped for this. I'm feeling good. Glowing like a little baby angel cherub. Yeah!
Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here. I don't know if you know this, but fun fact, Ashley is like hella skilled in cooking steak.
In the steak business.
Something just flung in my eye. Legit, she cooks the best steak ever. It's not as good, but like I'm getting better.
You're getting a lot better.
I'm getting a lot better. But I feel like as a girl, like that makes you so hot, you know? Like someday you're gonna have a guy and be like, oh, I'll cook. Like, doesn't that seem like a guy thing? Like, oh, I'm gonna cook the steaks. That's all I wanted to say. How'd you balance it? Like that? Uh-huh. Okay.
What is wrong with you right now? I'm such an old person. I asked her to crack my back. Ashley! Pull it together. You got this. Higher. I'll work my way up. Oh, orange glove.
That's disgusting. Did I get them all?
That was probably like not even focused. I feel like I'm 19 again. Oh, like I did a good job? Thanks, Taryn. Hello, everyone. As per usual in these last couple of vlogs, I look like a boy, but we're just gonna like roll right past that. We've gotten a lot done. We're down to this like main pile right here of just random stuff that was in this room. It's ridiculous. You guys might not even remember this, but when Alisha used to do prank videos, there's all these alarm clocks from when she had them in my bedroom and scared me. Do you guys remember that video? I'm getting rid of these really quick. Also, the amount of back to school stuff that we have is unreal. This we're probably going to just donate to like Goodwill or something. And then some of it we're gonna keep because back to school, you know, that's still a hot video topic. I'm trying to think of what Alisha we want to get rid of. I don't want to be like cruel and get everything away. At the same time, if you're not here and you're not helping with this, then you kind of lose your say. But I have been keeping all the things that I think she would actually use. I'm a nice sister. Guys, this was Chloe's first toy. Look how destroyed it is. This was Pig. I'm so sad I don't want to get rid of it, but you kind of have to, but look at it. She was so tiny. Alicia had these lights in her room at, I believe it was the first apartment, second apartment, I don't remember. Those have got to go. Wow, 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 wow. There's an LED magic ball in here that you plug your phone into and that like bumps music while giving you a light show. Give that away. Oh my God, you guys probably won't care about this at all, but if you remember any of Alicia's first videos, she did a lot of like cooking things, like DIY cooking stuff. These plates we used for every video. We used them non-stop. That's insane. I haven't seen them since I think, shoot, like our first apartment. It must have been at the bottom of that box for like ever, because we've been moved out from the first apartment for 4 years. That's crazy. Okay, it is the end of the night and I am exhausted, but you guys, the before and after of this room right now is ridiculous. I could totally walk in here. I can totally move in here. This is insane. Before, when I walked in here this morning, I couldn't even move in here. Crazy. Also, the bathroom's even more ridiculous. Hello, she's beautiful. It's so clean in here. Oh, that ain't cute. It's so crazy because this is like actually a very nice bathroom, but no one's been able to use it because it's just been filled to the brim with junk, just so much junk. Next is the closet. Bum, ba, da, bum. The floor. This is insane. You guys, this is a bunch of old coats and dresses that Alisha and I still use the coats for like snow days or when we go to the mountains. Other than that, we really don't use most of this stuff. She has some bags up there, an old bedroom box that she needs to go through. And then she has a few boxes in this corner right here that she needs to go through as well. Again, I didn't want to get rid of absolutely everything she owned, just the obvious stuff that I knew she wouldn't like, but there are things that I think she needs to sort through for herself. So that's what those last boxes in the corner are. And other than that, this bedroom is open for business. I'm really excited. Also, remember when I said that I possibly wanted to maybe like change rooms? It's been a long time coming and I love the room that I'm in, but there are, again, like I said, apartments moving across the street and my window is just in like perfect view of absolutely every single apartment facing our direction. I've been having to keep my window closed and it makes me so bummed. So I think in the near future, I might take this bedroom. Now that it's empty, it's gonna make that a lot easier. So if you think I should change rooms, leave me a comment in the comment section below. That'd be fun to kind of like start over in a brand new bedroom for Vlogmas or even like starting 2020 in a new room. I don't know, it could be fun. Anyways, do you hear the dogs? Come here. Hello, Toby. There he is. Hello. All the dogs are here right now, so I'm gonna sign off. I'm exhausted. Me and the parents are gonna relax by the fire and watch a movie. Toby's so loud. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm going to surprise Alisha. I'm not gonna tell her that I did this. I'm just gonna surprise her, so that'll be fun. I'm just gonna be like, hey, I have to show you something, and then just show her this completely empty room. So look forward to that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yay. Thanks for watching. Okay, that's all. Bye.